Namaskaram. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. On behalf of our dance school, I thank everyone for being with us this wonderful evening, both in person and virtual mode. Today marks the first stage performance of the students of Priyakshetra, Kumari Sasmita, Kumari Srinidhi, Kumari Subiksha, Kumari Havisha, and Kumari Netra. Priyakshetra was started as an initiative to spread Bharatanatyam, the most divine art form of India, across the globe through the online platform. It is also a dedication to the legendary artist Guru Srimati Rukmini Devi Arundale, who is the founder of the prestigious Kalakshetra Foundation, Chennai. We believe that dance performance, whether group or solo, offer a variety of benefits in addition to inner satisfaction. We inculcate the skill of goal setting and discipline among our students. Therefore, performing a dance form will help students develop self esteem and confidence as well as inspire them to achieve their goals and improve their social skills. We extend our sincere gratitude to the members of Naradagana Sabha for aiding us in making this day memorable for all of us. Before we begin, I would like to establish a few ground rules to the viewers. Please don't remove your masks and face shield. Refrain from taking photos and videos as it can be a distraction for the young dancers performing. Kindly switch off your electronic devices or put them on silent mode. Lastly, please be seated always during the performance, and if you wish to move, you can do so only during the gaps between the dance items. I would call upon Kumari Sasmita to give an introduction about the founder of Priyakshetra, Kumari Vaishali Priyamvata. Thank you.
Namaste. We kindly request our chief guest to light the lamp. The founder of Priyakshetra is Kumari Vaishali Priyamvata, our dear teacher. She started this academy with blessings and support from her parents, Mr. Vidyasagar and Mrs. Vijayalakshmi Vidyasagar, and her dear eminent gurus, Srimati Varsha Akhauri, Srimati Charulata, Srimati Meena Kumari, and Sri Krishnan. She started her dance journey at the tender age of 6 from Srimati Maya Kannan, who provided her the opportunity to perform on stage in front of S. Janaki Amma, the Nightingale of South India. She continued with Guru Srimati Meena Kumari, a Kalakshetra alumna. In search of perfection and in-depth knowledge about the art form, she came under the tutelage of Guru Srimati Varsha Akhauri. Kumari Vaishali also had the opportunity to learn Anga Shuddhi from Srimati Sulakshana Jayaraman and Guru Shri K.P. Rakesh, who is also the most awarded artist of Kalakshetra Foundation. Further, Kumari Vaishali learnt from Guru Sri Krishnan, founder of PSK Natyalaya, Hosur. She's been learning Natuvangam from him. Kumari Vaishali, under all these gurus' guidance, had given various performances both nationally and internationally in her 16 years of Bharatanatyam experience. She won almost all the competitions whichever she participated in. She started teaching 4 years ago, and her deep passion about Bharatanatyam urged her to start Priyakshetra, an academy for Natyam. Our teacher, Kumari Vaishali Priyamvata, is not only a passionate Bharatanatyam dancer but also a first class BTech Biotechnology graduate from SRM University, Chennai. She has 3 publications in the science field during her engineering degree. She is planning her master's in food science in the United Kingdom. Now, Kumari Vaishali will deliver the chief guest introduction and share her thoughts about Bharatanatyam.
Namaskaram, Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. To know about my loving guru, Srimati Varsha Kauri, the founder of Srishti, a school of dance, she is an established exponent of the Kalakshetra Bani of Bharatanatyam. She is a creative and motivated and a prolific Bharatanatyam artist, having first-class postgraduate diploma from Kalakshetra Foundation, Chennai. Srimati Varsha Kauri stayed completely faithful to the Kalakshetra style of dance. Her passion for dance since childhood led to choose Bharatanatyam as a profession. She is also an expert in various kinds of painting and craft work such as origami. She has given stage performances at various venues in Chennai and all over India and abroad. She has been witnessed by the eminent personalities like Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, former President of India, Sri R. Venkatraman, former President of India, and Sri Ravi Shankar, among the others. She has won several awards and competitions and scholarships organized by both government and private institutions. She has also exposure to other Indian art forms such as Kuchipudi and Kathak. She has been a major part of many dance dramas and productions, along with various well-known Bharatanatyam exponents of Kalakshetra. She has received numerous applications in the media and the press almost every consecutive year. She is not only a graceful dancer but also her accomplishments in academics and sports were to be praised, as she was a basketball champion and a first-class MBA graduate. We are honored to have you on this memorable day, ma'am. Welcome. I also would like to introduce my students to this wonderful audience. All my students are learning Bharatanatyam through online mode. I have great happiness in announcing the Chalanga Puja performances of everyone. A brief note of all my students. Firstly, Kumari Sashmita, 24 years young Sashmita, comes from Salem, holding dual degrees in both business administration and in law. She is preparing seriously for civil services and aspiring to serve the Indian Army. Her long-standing dream of learning Bharatanatyam has come to the fore, and she is learning from me for the past 2 years. I would like to appreciate her hard work and sincerity and dedication for learning this, and her sincere efforts. All efforts she did was to be praised. Kumari Srinidhi, 7 years old. Srinidhi is living in Villivakam. She is studying in 2nd standard at SBOA Junior School, Annanagar. She is affectionate with all, and especially with her twin brother Sriram. Drawing and painting are her extracurriculars. She is learning Bharatanatyam from me for the past 2 years. She is very smart in learning and speaks so sweetly with everyone. Kumari Subiksha, an 8-year-old Kumari Subiksha, hails from Gudvanjeri, studying at St. John's Matriculation High Secondary School. She is learning Bharatanatyam from me for the past 2 years. She is also interested in reciting Bhakti Shlokams and drawing. She has also won a competition in reciting Bhakti Shlokams from Shankara TV. She is a dedicated and sincere learner too. I'd like to introduce my other students who are also performing this evening. Kumari Netra, 9 years old, bubbly and witty Netra, is studying in class 4 at Shishya OMR. She loves to paint and is learning Bharatanatyam from me for the past 1 year. She is named after her big, bold almond eyes. you would see that during the performance. Next is Kumari Havisha. She's the most youngest among the all. She's 6 years old and a naughty child. She's studying at Narayana Olympiad School. She enjoys doing arts and crafts. Everyone loves her for her charm and smile. She's learning Bharatanatyam from me for the past 1 year. Now the program will commence with invocatory shlokas choreographed by Guru Srimati Varsha Kauri and performed by all my students. Namaskaram.
सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा आङ्गिकं भुवनं यस्य वाचिकं सर्ववाङ्मयम् आहार्यं चन्द्रतारादि